and you decide you're going to buy yourself a new car. So you're going to buy a new BMW, and you walk down to the dealer, and you say, I'd like to buy myself a new 5 Series, sir. And he says, that's great. I'll give you 2 options. Option number 1 is I'll have all the parts shipped to your front yard, and I'll have 5 guys come out in a pickup truck with some welding gear and pneumatic tools and assemble the car in your front yard. Or I can have the car made in BMW's factory. Which are you going to take? Seriously. Hands up. Who wants it built in the front yard? Exactly. Why is a house any different?